In the world of automobiles, perfection is rare find. Even the most revered cars have their flaws and some version of iconic models fall short of expectations. Join me as we delve into a list of cars that despite their greatness, have versions that leave much to be desired. Jeep Wrangler. Jeep Wrangler is a synonym with off-road capability, but the JK version with rear-wheel drive only left enthusiasts scratching their heads. Designed to conquer rough terrain, the Wrangler's essence lies in its four-wheel drive prowess. However, the rear-wheel drive JK variant felt like a half-hearted attempt, stripping away half of its off-road talent. It's second to Mike Tyson with one arm tied behind its back crippled and unable to unleash its full potential. The decision seemed to be prioritize affordability over the capability, resulting in a lackluster offering that failed to resonate with Wrangler enthusiasts. Number 6. Tesla Model S. The Tesla Model S revolutionized the electric vehicle market, offering practicality and performance in a sleek package. However, the 40 kilowatt version fell short of expectations. Marketed as an affordable option, it still carried out a hefty price tag and lacked essential features like navigation and fast charging. Moreover, the decision to software limit the battery capacity left a significant portion of the car's weight as dead weight, adversely affecting performance and range. Essentially, it was a compromised version that failed to deliver the Tesla experience. Number 5. Skyline GTR. The Skyline R32 GTR earned its Godzilla name for its dominance on the track, but its lesser-known sibling, the GXI, was far from impressive, stripping away the turbocharged engine and all-wheel drive system. The GXI sedan lacked the performance pedigree of its legendary counterpart. With a massively four-cylinder engine producing a mere 90 horsepower, it failed to capture the essence of the Skyline lineage. Despite sharing design cues, the GXI fell short in delivering the exhilarating driving experience synonymous with the Skyline brand. Number 4. Audi e-tron. The Audi e-tron is hailed as a supercar for the masses, offering a performance and style at relatively affordable price point. However, the e-tron variant missed the mark. Marketed as an electric version, it carried a staggering price tag far exceeding its gasoline powered counterparts. Despite its hefty price, the e-tron offered lackluster performance, slower acceleration and reduced range compared to its V10 counterparts. The heavy batteries compromised handling, resulting in less engaging driving experience. Essentially, it was an overpriced variant. Number 3. Pagani's Zonda R. The Pagani's Zonda R is a track-focused hypercar renowned for its power and performance and breathtaking design. However, its extreme nature rendered it impractical for everyday use. With a cramped cabin, harsh ride and air-splitting noise levels, the Zonda R sacrificed comfort for performance. Its excessive power output and aggressive handling make it a dominating machine to tame, relegating it to track day outings for only the most skilled drivers. Number 2. Jaguar E-Type Series 3. The Jaguar E-Type is celebrated as one of the most beautiful cars ever made, but the Series 3 variant left enthusiasts divided. With the introduction of emission regulations, the E-Type received design changes that detracted from its iconic stylehood. The elongated cabin and raised roofline of 2+2 variant compromised the car's proportions, earning it a moniker of the ugly E-Type. Number 1. Audi A5. The Audi A5 is revered for its sleek design and refined performance, but the cabriolet version with a four-cylinder diesel engine and CVT transmission missed the mark, combining a lackluster powertrain with a transmission notorious for its drone-like noise and sluggish performance. The A5 Cabriolet failed to deliver the exhilarating driving experience expected from an Audi. Furthermore, the diesel engine's clatter amplified the roof down, detracting from the overall driving enjoyment. Essentially, it was a poor pairing of powertrain and transmission, resulting in a lackluster driving experience. In conclusion, even the greatest cars have their flawed iterations, whether it's compromised performance, questionable design choices, or mismatched powertrains. These versions fail to live up to standards set up by their iconic counterparts. Despite their shortcomings, they serve as reminders that perfection in the automotive world is exclusive. So friends, that's our today's video. If you think this video is helpful for you and it gives you some knowledge about cars, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting and amazing videos. Thank you.